Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload Reels to Facebook. That is the short form vertical video like we've got on TikTok. We've got Instagram Reels, we've got YouTube Shorts. If you didn't know, you can also upload Reels to Facebook. I was quite surprised when I looked up the list of monthly active users for 2022 and found that Facebook is actually still the #1 social media app in the world, according to the monthly active users. I thought this definitely would have been YouTube or TikTok, but Facebook is still at the top. The only content I could find about posting Reels to Facebook was showing to go to your Instagram account. So here's my Instagram account. Going to the top right-hand corner, selecting Settings, then scrolling all the way down to where it says the Meta Accounts Center. And here you can actually link an Instagram account with a Facebook page and then share across the profiles. So when I select sharing across profiles, you first select the Instagram account you want to share from, and then you select the Facebook page that you want to share that to. But what I've found is that it only gives you the Instagram story and the Instagram posts. It doesn't actually share the Reels across, and I have tested this. I've posted Reels on an Instagram account that is linked to a Facebook page and saying, yes, please post everything from this Instagram to the Facebook page, and the Reels don't come across. So unfortunately, you're going to have to do it twice if you've got an Instagram account and a Facebook account. It doesn't take all that long to upload a Reel. So what we're going to do is just open the Facebook app, then down on the bottom right-hand corner, click your profile, and select pages there and select the page that you want to post the Reel to. So these are the list of pages that I've either created or am an admin on. So I'm going to do this for my Nat Pike music right here. So this is just my Facebook page for some of my piano music. And what we're going to do is if we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see in this section here where it says create a post, you've got photo, create story, or Reel. So this is where we do the Reel here. So you'll see up the top here, you can use the camera on your phone and you can add music and do green screen effects, just sort of similar to Instagram and TikTok, those sorts of things. Or you can simply scroll down and select a video from your camera roll that you've pre-recorded, or if you just want to repost something you've done on TikTok. Then from here, this is where you can add, sounds, you can add text, just like any of the other apps. Then when you're ready to upload this, just go next. Give it a title and pop some hashtags if you want and select Share Reel. It's that easy. Then you should simply be able to scroll down on your page and the Reels that you've uploaded are just going to be showing on your feed. I actually haven't been able to find a central location where we can view all the Reels and how they have performed. So if anybody knows where to find that, I've had a really good look. Let me know in the comments. One little hot tip, if you want to scroll through other people's Reels and discover what other creators are making, you can go down to the bottom right-hand corner and tap on your profile, and then you'll find here it says Reels. This will access basically exactly the same as what you'd get on TikTok or YouTube Shorts when you've just got an infinite scroll of videos, so you can discover what other people are uploading to Facebook. So that is how you upload Reels to Facebook. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.